Hello, Les Kaminsky, Product Manager at Waldmann Lighting Company. I'm here to introduce you to our VISIANO 20 exam light. To meet all medical norms, the VISIANO 20 is designed to IEC 60601 3rd edition technical standards and ETL safety testing. Uniquely different from competition, the LED modules are arranged in a triangular pattern to prevent shadows from obstructions. 360-degree head rotation allows uninterrupted exams. Premium LEDs and exclusive diamond optics are used to produce 60,000 lux from half a meter with a light field of 21 centimeters, which is about 8.3 inches. Light operation uses a sealed touchpad for dimming, color changing, and on-off. The on-off button uses a memory to retain the previous setting. There's no need to reset it from scratch. The 4 light settings can be dimmed up and down with the buttons from 25% to 100%. The 2 color temperatures aid in more thorough exams by allowing color contrast. Warm 3500K setting is ideal to view color variations in skin tones or as a contrast to the standard exam color temperature of 4500K. Bright 45K is preferred color temperature for exams, but can also be used to aid to find veins to draw blood. The advantage of color selection and a greater 95 CRI make the VISIANO 20 an ultimate exam light. For optimal and ergonomic positioning, the arm system uses springs in the base and middle joints, allowing 50-inch extension without drifting. Can be easily placed in position for any exam and fine-tuned with the knobs if required. With fully enclosed springs and joints, movements are safe from pinch points. The 16mm pin mount works with all standard Waldmann mounting methods, including desk clamp, medical rail or wall bracket, and a portable rolling stand. With the completely enclosed transformer housing, joints, and head, the cleaning and disinfection is easily achieved. The same arm system is available in a ceiling mount. The transformer is moved to the ceiling mounting plate and covered with a canopy for safety. The standard 1.2 meter drop tube is field cuttable and can be reduced to all ceiling heights. Once installed, the arm has full 360-degree rotation for uninterrupted use. For more information about the light, please call our office or contact your regional sales manager and we will be happy to assist. Thank you for watching.